Y'all, this is Gail again. So I'm going to try another one of the Get Fit with Rick indoor walking workout. But this time it's the little short, about 3 to 4 minutes, to the Bruno Mars, of course. I Just Might is one of his more recent hits. And Rick has gone and done this to where it's actually, a very short video, but it's in a room where he doesn't have much space. He has this big round yoga mat. So I'll do a link to his video because you have to do that one too. But this will be my first attempt to translate that to the JumpSport. So this particular JumpSport, it sits higher up off the ground. My original one is a 350, so it's like, not much to step up. But since this one's a 44-inch, a wider space to do the bouncing, I like it. But you have to step up a little bit. So anyway, let's see how this works, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get on here. And again, I have my handlebar here just in case I need to have that for safety. Look, it cut off my head. Let me let me adjust that a little bit, okay? I'll put it up a little bit. There we go. We'll see how that works. Again, it's a little bit higher off the ground, so the real estate here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So make sure we're here. And again, you need to do the health bounce. You're just pushing your heels into the floor. Anytime you need to slow it down, slow your pace. Again, do what you can with what you got. And let's get started, shall we? We shall. And here we go. You can do a health bounce or a walk in place. You stepped aside about it, never saying. Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, you talk like you walk up and talk to me. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. Cause when I take it to the floor, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Now side to side. Hang on to the bar if you need to. Always remember that, okay? Other side. Back to the center. Single, single, double. All right, come forward. This is a fun one. Here we go. Here we go. You can bounce a little deeper if you want to. Hang on though. Switch. Back marches or health bounce. Swing those arms. Alright, I'm going to go to the side. Not live. Toe in the water, as Rick likes to call it. Woo! Other side. Again. Woo! Switch. A single, single, double. Here we go. again, you need to go check that out on his channel, Get Fit with Rick. The original indoor working workout for this. I just might. See y'all later on. Bye, y'all.